Hello gardening friends, today's short show is an update on planting late season cucumbers. If you're interested in growing nutrient dense food in an urban environment, you are in the right spot. Subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, here we go. It is October 5th today, and about a week ago when I did my September garden tour, I showed you a bloom on my cucumbers. Well, now we've got lots of blooms, and the vines are starting to take off. That one's probably about 3 foot tall. We also have a little baby cucumber. Look, there's the little baby. Let me see. Hopefully that's focused for you. Alright, so let me back up here so you can see the whole field of cucumbers. If we don't get a frost, if this cold weather holds off for like a month, looks like we should get quite a few cucumbers. There's some late season tomatoes too. The vine was pretty much dead and messed up from the hot weather and the disease in the summer, but now it's recovered and I'm going to get a few more tomatoes off of it. Our first frost is probably about the 1st of November, because I am in zone 7B in North Carolina. Alright, so that was a short show. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Have a blessed day.